Today I'll be working on a B8 Audi A4. I'll be replacing the diverter valve. The car's check engine light came on and it was feeling underpowered. When I went to read the fault codes on my scanner, this is the code that came up. What is the P0299 code? This code commonly deals with turbocharged or supercharged vehicles. And one of the most common causes of this error code is a faulty turbo or supercharger. Your car may also have a faulty boost pressure sensor. It may have low oil pressure, a defective blow-off valve, or what I'm going to replace today, a bad diverter valve. So before you run out and replace your turbo, check these systems first. It may save you a lot of money. The diverter valve will be on the passenger side of the engine compartment, right connected to the turbocharger, so you have to access it from underneath. So I got the car up on ramps. I'm going to slide under it. The next thing you do is to remove the bottom engine cover. That's this right here. And it's held on by these screws. Use a Phillips head or flathead screwdriver. Turn it a quarter of a turn, and these screws come right out. On the passenger side, right connected to the turbo, with this yellow wires connected to this plug. On the end of the plug is the diverter valve, right here. And it's 3 screws that hold it. Remove the 3 screws and it pops right out. Alright, and to disconnect the plug to the diverter valve, you just squeeze the bottom of the connector and pull it. See this right here, this little opening? You squeeze that. When you look inside, when you squeeze it, it lifts the locking mechanism. So you just squeeze that and pull down and it comes right off. And the tool you need to remove the screw is a 5mm Allen head wrench or Allen head socket to remove the 3 screws. And here's the old diverter valve removed from the car. And installation is just the opposite of removing. So in the case of this diverter valve, it was stuck in the middle. This diaphragm here that's supposed to move in and out, it was stuck. It wouldn't go in and out. It was something lodged in here. So I probably could have repaired it, but I didn't know at the time, so I just swapped it out. But that's it. The new diverter valve is installed. I reset the check engine light with my scan tool, and so far about 60 miles was put on it. The light didn't come on back on yet, so hopefully it won't come back on. And that's pretty much it. All right, y'all. Until next time, I'm out.